Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you guys coupons to print. I just started using Swag Bucks because you get $1 or you get 1 point for every coupon you print, up to 20 a day. So then I don't know, it's free money. It's free money to get gift cards. So I'm just using their site to show you guys coupons to print. So let's just go. I haven't looked at them yet, but I know today is going to be a great day for coupons. So let's just dig in and see what we got. Now I think the Boost, the $2 off a Boost, I think that is new. If you guys want to get Boost drinks, let's just keep on going. Now I'm using Swag Bucks thing, so it's like weird on me. I went on here last night. They did add a couple other coupons, but here we got $1 off Colgate, 75 cents off of soft soap. Now that is a great coupon to save for next week. We got $1 off Dial body wash and tone. Here we got $1 off Right Guard, $1 off Dial, 50 cents off of soft soap, $1 off of Arm & Hammer, $3 off the CoverGirl Lash Blast. That's a good coupon. 50 cents off a Speed Stick. If you guys haven't had those coupons, they just added that. I see we got some Aleve and Phillips. I'm not printing any of those off. Pert, I haven't really ever seen Pert Plus on the thing, but here we got another Arm & Hammer, and then $2 off Purex Crystals, 75 cents. They got a ton of coupons. Kettle Brand, Toaster, and then here's another Arm & Hammer. Here's a great coupon. This is free at Walmart, $3 off of Bic. Here we got 50-cent Colgate coupons, Pledge, Infusium, Oscar Mayer, which I know we'll see a lot of Oscar Mayers over the next couple weeks because it is grilling season. Benadryl, Suave. Let's see what else we got. Yeah, Indy, that was on there yesterday. They just added that yesterday, and I think this Butterball all natural fully cooked breakfast they added yesterday. Raid off. Brute. Let's just keep on clicking. So there is that, and then a lot of coupons did not repeat itself. We're almost to the bottom. Almost to the bottom. We're almost there, you guys. I promise you. Yeah, we're pretty much to the bottom of coupons to print, and then I printed off some of these yesterday and the other day, but Irish Springs, definitely print that off if you guys can. And then let's see other ones. Yeah, so a lot of coupons didn't reset, but they still could. But then if you guys go all the way to the top, you guys can't see it, but they have Red Plum coupons to print, and here they got L'Oreal Paris Face, L'Oreal. So those are coupons to print. I know I'll be getting those coupons, so I'm not printing those off. And then they got, oh, it doesn't refresh to go all the way to the top. More coupons to print. And that is it. So definitely go to Swagbox and use that to print off coupons. Right now I'm printing off 14 coupons, so that's 14 points that I'll be getting. Plus it says you get additional 10 Swagbox points when you redeem at your local grocery store. I don't know if it's just the grocery store, if it's Walmart or Target. I'm not sure on that, but I wanted to share with you guys coupons to print. Hope you guys enjoyed this lovely day we're having, and I will see you guys all later to show you guys my coupon haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.